Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this face, you're highly welcome. My name is Ifoma. Please remember to click the subscribe button and also the bell button beside it so that you won't be left out on any of my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for the love and support. I appreciate you all. So guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can draw your eyebrows to look so natural. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first you have to make sure that your eyebrows are well trimmed. Then go in with your brush and brush it. So guys, for this eyebrows tutorial, I'll be using lashes glue. Yeah, you can also use soap or gel, but I prefer using lashes glue because it holds my eyebrows, lashes so firm. Then I'll take a little amount of it with the brush. Then I'll go in and brush my eyebrows. From the beginning where my eyebrows started, I'll brush it upward. Then after brushing it, the next thing is to go in with the eye pencil. Make sure your eye pencil is well sharpened. Then trace the under edge of your eyebrows. Then after that, you trace the upper edge of your eyebrows. While doing so, don't start from where your eyebrows started. Go in a little bit. Then once that is done, you now use your eye pencil and make a thin line, a straight thin line in those places that there is no hair. So this is why it's important that your eye pencil is well sharpened so that it can give you that straight thin line as you're filling those places that there is no hair. Did you see? Now I will go ahead and conceal the edges. To conceal the under edge of my eyebrows, I'll be using a lighter Pro concealer, a concealer that is lighter than my shade. Then after that, I will use my foundation to define the upper edge of my eyebrows. While doing this, don't start from where your eyebrows started. Start from where you drew the eye pencil. Now I'll go on the other side. Using my lashes glue, I'll take a little amount with my brush and brush my eyebrows. From the beginning, I'll brush it upwards. Then after this, the next step is to go in with your well-sharpened eye pencil. Trace the under edge. Then use your eye pencil to fill those places that there is no hair. Make a thin line there. Don't shade. It's not shading. You are not to shade the place. Just make a thin line. That's why you need to use a well-sharpened eye pencil. Then after that, you go in with your concealer. Define the under edge with a concealer that is lighter than your shade. Then after that, now you have to conceal the upper edge with your foundation. Starting from where you drew the eye pencil. Don't start from where your eyebrows started. Start from where you drew the eye pencil. Sorry guys, I didn't know it wasn't showing properly. So this is it guys. Did you see how it's looking? Please give this video a thumbs up if this tutorial is helpful, okay? And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.